How to factory reset your Oculus. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can factory reset your Oculus. So, to factory reset your Oculus, first of all, make sure that your Oculus headset is turned off. Now, once it is turned off, you can see these keys right over here. Now, these two are the volume keys and this key right over here is the power key. Now, if there is no light showing over here, it means that your headset is turned off. So, now once your headset is turned off, you'll have to basically press two buttons at once. Those are the power button and the volume down button, and not the volume up button. Now the volume down button will generally indicate a minus sign instead of the plus sign. So simply press on both of these buttons at once, and if the red sign starts blinking over here, simply wear your headset. Now you'll have to use your volume buttons to navigate in this screen, as your controllers won't work on this screen. Now tap on the option Factory Reset. Now, in order to select the option, you'll have to press on your power button. So simply do that. Now, you will be taken to this page where it will provide you two different options. There, you'll have to tap on the first option, which is Yes, Erase and Factory Reset. So simply click on the power button once again. And now, your factory reset will be initiated, and then your controller will be successfully factory reset, or the settings will be reset to default. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.